Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Snapchat is temporarily disabled on iPhone, sport code ss06. So if you are having this kind of error on your Snapchat when you log in or try to log in on your Snapchat account, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply open a new tab in Safari, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for Snapchat Sport, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on my account is compromised, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply search for the problem you are having. So here you can simply select that option like I can't access my account, and you can simply click on any of the message like I see an error message while logging into your account. So here you can simply scroll it down and you can find here a form to fill. So here you can simply provide here your username, and after providing your username you can simply put here your email if you have connected any email address to your Snapchat account. Moreover, you can also provide here your mobile number if of your Snapchat account, and here you can simply provide your Snapchat description of the problem, which is as that: hello Snapchat team, recently I tried to log in my Snapchat account and it says due to repeated failed attempts your attempt to access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled, and also mentioned sport code ss06. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. And after that what you have to do, you can simply click on captcha, and you have to simply fill the captcha, and after that you can simply click on submit, and your problem will be submitted to Snapchat support team, and within few days Snapchat team will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So in this way you can simply solve that sport code ss06 problem on Snapchat. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.